The installation manual contains a list of suggested tools that should be used to install the liftgate. We also want to emphasize the proper and safe use of the tools and equipment used to install the liftgate. Improper use of tools and equipment can result in serious injury and/or possibly death to you, the installer, or other bystanders. Before proceeding, make sure all the parts have been received. Refer to the graphic for the list of included parts. Some of the parts are contained in the pump box. To help you better understand the installation process, the following illustration contains the name and location of the various parts of the liftgate. Begin by parking the truck on a flat, level surface and apply the parking brake. Remove the key to prevent unwanted movement of the truck. To prevent damage to the truck and/or the liftgate, make sure the model being installed is compatible with the maximum and minimum bed heights of the truck by following these next 2 steps. First, be aware that as part of the installation preparation, the liftgate will not operate properly if the truck bed height falls beneath dimension A. This reduced height can be the result of a fully loaded truck and/or a variety of other reasons. The determined height must be equal to or greater than 42 inches for the AST model, 36 inches for the ASTL model, and 38 inches for the AST Plus model. Do not proceed if the truck will not meet the minimum height requirement. Second, measure the height of the unloaded truck. This measurement must be equal to or less than 57 inches for the AST model, 44 inches for the ASTL models, and 56 inches for the AST Plus model. Again, do not proceed if the truck exceeds the maximum height requirement. Make sure the truck frame and any OEM truck components in the installation area will not interfere with the installation in the shaded area as shown. Check the vehicle's owner's manual for any special requirements prior to welding on the truck's frame. If required, disconnect the battery cable before welding. Use 2 people to safely install the liftgate. Remove both dock bumpers, the 2 side gussets, the 2 mounting plates, and the floor extension. Next, carefully unfold the liftgate using 2 people. To keep the liftgate somewhat level once it's unfolded, a wooden block approximately 12 inches tall can be placed under the platform. You will also see a spacing guide installed over the end of the cylinder rod. Do not remove this guide until later in the installation procedure. Most truck bodies require the frame to be either extended or cut back in order to properly install the liftgate. Simply measure 20 inches from the rear edge of the truck body frame to the long sill. Make a mark on the long sill and either add or remove material from the frame. If you are extending the truck frame, make sure the extension meets the specifications of the truck manufacturer and that altering the frame will not void the truck's warranty.